Well, a $100 million lawsuit was filed against the Oregon Department of Human Services over 3 children who were placed in an abusive home in Marion County.
And in a story you'll see only on 6, our investigative reporter Gabrielle Carroll joins us. And Gabrielle, we want to warn the folks who are watching that some of these details could be a bit disturbing.
That's right, Jennifer and Dan. The foster father in this case, Casey Ray Miller, was already sentenced this past fall to 30 years in prison for sexually assaulting a young foster child in his care. Now, this lawsuit filed in federal court alleges that Department of Human Services employees should have known that Miller and his wife were unfit to be foster parents, that they failed to properly investigate signs of abuse in the home, and that the agency allegedly participated in a cover-up to hide the agency's own failures.
From our standpoint, what happened to these kids had nothing to do with the level of funding. It had everything to do with deliberate indifference and the pattern of errors that has manifest throughout numerous lawsuits that the agency has been involved in.
That attorney, Steve Rizzo, is no stranger to DHS. The state agreed to a record settlement of $15 million in 2015 for a case that also involved sexual abuse of a child in a foster home. Coming up at 5, we'll hear more from Rizzo about this case and specifically more about the alleged cover-up at the state agency. Dan and Jennifer, back to you.
Interesting. Thanks, Gabrielle. In the meantime, do you have a news tip for us? You can email it to reportit@coin.com or click the Report a tab right there on our mobile app.